In this question, we need to find the value of 4 different angles. Don't worry, it's not 700, 500. There is printing mistake. थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस लगाओगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा. डिग्री लिखना चाहता था. It's not 700, it's 70 degree. It's 50 degree. Okay. O is the center. Line CT is passing. So CT is what? Diameter. Diameter. We need to find the value of CBT. CBT. Let's join T. So the angle subtended by the side diameter is how much? 90 degree. Orally, you are able to solve the first question. Second, we need to find the value of angle BAT. Okay, join the line AT. We need to find the value of angle BAT. Let's see it be X. How will you find the value of angle BAT? Okay, it's somewhat tricky, but not that difficult. What is given? ABC 70. APC 70. It's 70. And angle CBT is how much? 90. So 90 minus 70 is how much? 20. Okay, no problem. Angle ACB is how much? 50 degree given. 50 degree. Now you can see ATBC is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means opposite angles supplementary. Supplementary means what? Opposite angle is 180 degrees. So angle ATB plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. So value of angle ATB equal to how much? 130 degree. 130 plus 50 is how much? 180. So it's be 130 degree. Now by zooming the triangle, you will be able to realize this is 130 degree. ATB. ATB. 130 is 20. So angle BAT is solved by X is how much? Sum of following between 180. So X is 130, 20, 150. 180 minus 150. 130 plus 20, 150. 30 degrees answer. Second answer we also got. First is 90, second is 30. Now we need to find the value of angle PBT. BPT is also fine. Okay. By solving this second, we got the third also, 20 degree. Now fourth, we need to find the value of angle APT. APT. Now let's say it's PY. It's very easy. Fourth one also. I just want to clear some rough work so that you can clearly see the image. What I want to make you to see. Geometry is a subject where you know answer is already given in the question, but you must have the ability to see the answer. Okay. See an obtuse triangle. Okay. T, B, P. Here A is there. We need to find the angle of APT or BPT same. Now let's say it's BY. We know this is how much? 130 degree. This is how much? 20 degree. Okay. Now in this point, many students do a mistake. Okay. It's not 130 degree. Everything was correct. You might have noticed I have erased the line 80. Angle 130 degree is the angle ATB is 130 degree. Angle PTB is not 130 degree. It's incorrect. It's correct. We need to find the value of angle ATB. Then only we will get the value. See, line 80 is made here. 80. I think overcrowd is happened. I have to explain well. You must have got my point. See, opposite angles are supplementary in a cyclic quadrilateral. If I join line 80, then only this is 130 degree. Okay, but this angle is remaining. This angle we didn't find. So tangent chord 80, angle subtended by chord, so it's 20 degree. Reason, angle in alternate segment. Now angle BTB is equal to 150 degrees right answer. See, cyclic quadrilateral part. Cyclic quadrilateral part is 130 degree. Okay, but I need to find the obtuse angle. BTB. We just know this part. This part is 130 degree. Okay, but this part is still remaining. So by using the concept of angle in alternate segment, you can see this is a triangle chord, tangent, point of contact T. You will get this as 20 degree because this is 20, so this is also 20. By how now you must have understood the concept of angle in alternate segment. So this is 150, this is 20. So angle ABT will be how much? 180 minus 150 plus 20, 170, which is how much equal to 10 degree. See, everyone do mistake in the last part. See, I erase the line 80. You forgot that. Many students have done mistake here only. It's 130 degree. But for I am considering the bigger triangle. In the bigger triangle, this remaining angle is left by angle in alternate segment. I got this is 20. So sum of opposite angle is 150 degree. This is 20. So rest I got is 10 degree. I hope you understood it. Thank you.